Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to an emergency update on WSM, because it has crashed. I don't necessarily want to say, but it has dumped. So just we'll do a full update. We'll talk about what this means. We'll talk about whether it's still possible for WSM to recover a bit, and just in general the situation right now. All right. So enough to talk about. So let's get right into it. Before we get into it, though, I do want to briefly tell you or remind you, if you're new to the channel, that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. I'm a profitable trader, so if you want to get some profits, consider joining. There's also a chat room, trading guide to learn how to become better yourself. So if you're interested in that and want to get trades like BNT, for example, consider joining. But now let's focus on WSM. So WSM has crashed. Yesterday we already talked about the potential of this happening, because to kind of zoom out, what basically has happened since, I would say, the 5th of October or the 4th of October, so last week Wednesday, is that the market structure turned into something a little bit more bearish, whereas before that it was bullish or consolidating. So you can see that since then the trend has largely been down. Which we can think of multiple reasons for that. I mean, first of all, a lot of people for WSM just bought at a very low price. So when the price starts dropping down, look, here it's all still bullish. So I can understand why you're holding, but then the price starts dropping down and you think, hey, I don't want to lose, like I had great profit, now it's less, I do still want to have profit. So people start selling. And then on the other hand, you also have those staking rewards, which basically creates a lot of inflation, supply inflation, which creates a lot of selling pressure. And if you don't have buying pressure to battle against that, I mean, sure, they had a $1 million buyback program, but on top of volume of $32 million, that's not going to have an effect, or it's not going to have that much of an effect. So that's why the price is dropping. Technically, yesterday we spoke on this. We said, well, it's dropping down to 4.4 for 4.3 cents. If it breaks down below 4.3 cents, if it's not able to break above 4.7 and 4.8 from that support level, it's most likely to drop down. That's what I said. You can check the video if you want. But that is what has happened since. Drop down to this. I thought we would find a little bit more support at 4 cents. Drop down below that as well, which is quite a lot of bearish confirmation, just to be honest. So now the situation for WSM does not look amazing. Now, I know that they still have some potential catalysts, news-related catalysts, that could pump the price up, but it's going to be difficult, all right? With this volume, with this many people selling, it's going to be difficult to get the price back up to those original numbers. It is still possible. It's possible that it will rally from here. I'm just saying it will be difficult, all right? So what I expect from here is, first of all, we do need to get some more bullish confirmation to confirm that we will not drop down lower towards 3 cents and under there, all right? So now you can see the main support level is between 3.7 and 3.5 cents. So that's, let me visualize that a bit more. So this is the main support level. And I would say that WSM from this level needs to test the levels around 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 cents up here to confirm that that support is strong enough to at least facilitate a consolidation from here. And then from that consolidation, all right, from there, a rally is still possible. Not necessarily the most likely scenario from here, but it's still possible. But then WSM, after some big news about some sort of a casino product, whatever, it would need to break all the way on top of above for 4.6 cents. If it does that, sure, it can rally. All right, it can rally up to 5.2, 5.8 easily. But this whole scenario, so first of all, that WSM is able to get to 4.2 and 4.3 cents to validate this consolidation or to validate the support. And then second of all, for the news to be so strong that WSM will break above 4.6 cents, that does not look like the most likely scenario right now. It actually looks more likely that, sure, WSM might actually confirm this consolidation, but then that there's not enough momentum to push the price up, more people selling, and that at some point of time will drop down towards 3 cents and even lower. That actually does look like the most likely scenario for now, and you can see the price dropping. I mean, if WSM doesn't even get to 4.1, 4.2 cents today, it will just drop down to those levels tomorrow. or perhaps even at the end of today. So it's not looking great. It doesn't mean that it's over, but we do need to get some good bullish confirmations in terms of the technicals and some strong fundamental news. All right. Otherwise, it's not looking great. So that's my take on WSM for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.